Hello guys, what's up? In this video we will see how we can replace a column value from a male to female and female to male in a single query. This is one of the most important interview question. Also we will see another question where we need to replace the value of two columns in a table within a single query. We will check on this. Let's switch to the SQL Server. So we are going to cover these two questions in single query. Update gender column, set female to male and male to female in SQL Server, then replace values of two columns in single query. So how we can achieve the first one? For this we need to update user table here and set gender is equal to based on the condition. So to apply the condition we can use the case statement here, or you can say that switch statement. Case when gender is male, update it as female, right? And okay, and when it's a female, then update it as male and end the condition. Let's see by executing the output after this condition. So before that, this is my table where these are the genders of females and then gender for the males. Out of 11 I have 6 record where the gender is female and 5 records where gender is male. Let me execute the query here. Now let's check the output. See, now I have 5 user here which have the gender female and 6 user which has the gender male. So it is replaced, gender is replaced where it's male set to the female and where it's female set to the male. Suppose you have some user there where gender is not mentioned or written not applicable. In that case you don't want to make any changes. You can use here else condition and pass any value whatever you want to. Suppose you want to pass not applicable here, you can pass here. Now let's check for the another query, replace values of two columns in single query. Let's write the query here. Update user set, suppose I want to replace name and gender column with each other. In that case name is equal to gender and then now I will use name is equal to gender and gender is equal to name. Let's execute it. Let's see the output. See, two column value got replaced in a single query. This is one of the important and I will say famous interview question. Thank you everyone. Continue to watch this series for more interview question on the SQL Server. Thank you everyone.